So guys, once we're here, you want to click on the icon in the top right, which will then take you to here. Now you want to select always allow access to your microphone, and then you want to choose your correct microphone. Then you want to click on done. Now you want to click on the icon in the top right again, and now this box will appear again. Then you want to click on manage. And now once we're here, you want to make sure you have your correct microphone selected. Then you want to allow sites can ask to use your microphone, allow this. You want to scroll down. If you see Facebook blocked right here, you want to click on allow. Make sure you have Facebook appearing right here, allowed to use your microphone. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. And then you want to scroll down and then select microphone. And now once we're here, you want to make sure you have microphone access turned on. You want to scroll down. If you see Facebook or Facebook Messenger, you want to turn that on for that as well. Also, if you see the web browser that you want to use, you want to make sure you have it turned on for that as well. And now for the next step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.